Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Animal Crossing, New Leaf on Android. First, you'll need to download a Nintendo 3DS emulator application from your device's App Store. Popular choices like Citra offer excellent compatibility and performance for many games. Ensure your Android phone or tablet has at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for smooth gameplay. This initial step is crucial for setting up your virtual console. Next, you'll need to acquire the Animal Crossing, New Leaf game file, often called a ROM. This file should be in a compatible format, such as a .3ds or .cif file. Once you have the ROM, transfer it to your Android device's internal storage or an SD card. A dedicated games folder can help keep things organized and easy to find later. This step prepares your game for loading. With the emulator installed and your game ROM ready, open the emulator application. Navigate through its menu to find and select your Animal Crossing, New Leaf ROM file. You might want to adjust some settings, like graphics resolution or frame rate, to optimize performance for your specific device. Also, customize the on-screen touch controls or connect a Bluetooth gamepad for a more comfortable experience. These adjustments enhance your gameplay. Now you are all set to begin your Animal Crossing, New Leaf adventure. Dive into your new town, meet charming animal villagers, and start customizing your home. Remember to save your game frequently, both within the emulator's save states and through the in-game save option. For the best experience, consider using a physical Bluetooth controller, which offers more precise and enjoyable gameplay. Have fun building your perfect virtual life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.